Year 2017. It was one of the most terrifying year because in that year around July August one Facebook experiment shocked the world. Yes, I am talking about that Facebook which you use daily. What happened is that the engineers of Facebook were looking to make an advanced chatbot. For those who don't know a chatbot is a software that stimulates human like conversations with the users by text messages on chat. You actually talk with the machines, which only say hi or hello like a human. But Facebook wanted to create some bots which not only say hi or hello but also talk with emotions like us. During that experiment, a developer of Facebook thought that let's see what happens when a bot chat with a bot. They named the two bots Bob and Alice and they started communicating in a strange way. And here is the copy of what they had said. Bob, everything else. Then Alice told, balls have 0 to me, and dot dot dot. Bob, everything else. Alice, balls have a ball to me, dot dot dot. The engineers of Facebook didn't get anything of what they were saying. Later, after more inspection, they got to know that they had developed a new language. They were talking in their language hiding from humans. A strange intelligence came in that program. Developing a language isn't an easy task. Intelligent species like human can only develop a language. The bots developed a new language which is kinda impossible in the programming world. But that happened, really happened. If you told a chimpanzee to develop a language, then he can't do it. But while being a program, they developed their own language secretly hiding from humans with the help of their artificial neural network power. After some days of that incident, international news reported that Facebook stopped the artificial experiment program. After many difficulties, they had managed to shut the computer down. Don't know what happened if they couldn't close the program. The program was shut down because engineers thought that the program was way too smart and going out of control. It was one of the most dangerous incidents in the history of artificial intelligence. What would happen if the computers become self-aware like human? And what would happen if the programs become more intelligent than us? Will they rule us or rule the world? Artificial intelligence is a program which can think and can do such things which humans are not able to do. Artificial intelligence is not a future concept. It has come, and at the meantime, you are using it. You don't have any clue of how fast the artificial intelligence growing in our world. Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Assistant, they are all artificial intelligence. You don't even know how this artificial intelligence are controlling your life. When you like any page of Facebook, for example, you have liked a comedy page, you may notice that Facebook recommends you more related pages. YouTube shows more videos which you see regularly. When you buy anything at online stores, like you have bought a camera, then the website shows you thousands of cameras and accessories related to it. The AI, artificial intelligence of that website tracks that what you have bought and shows more products like it. It is known as machine learning. By the way, this type of programs are really useful to us, but we are not talking about those programs. The artificial intelligence is a way more dangerous than these programs. There's a law called Moore's law. Moore's law says that the transistors in the whole world in the computer parts will be double in every 1 to 2 years. From the first computer of the world was invented, this law is really happening. The dangerous artificial intelligence has not invented yet, but according to experts, it can be happen in next 50 years. Some experts also say that it can happen in 20 to 30 years. The intellectual beings of our world who shape the modern technology and study about the future world says that AI or artificial intelligence would be the dangerous things, and it would be the greatest danger of the human civilization. Sir Stephen Hawking, not one time but many times in his life, said that AI could be end of mankind. Those who fully know about artificial intelligence have said that this kind of statements, for example, artificial intelligence will be the last invention for mankind. Artificial intelligence would be the end of our world. If we lose control over the computer programs, then there will be a fight between the computer programs and humans, fight which human could never win. And why can't win? Because if computers can make their own language and develop itself, then what would if a more intelligent artificial intelligence get invented? Then he would be 1,000 times stronger than a human brain. There is no other creature or thing in this world which is more intelligent than human. But if computers manage to do that, then it would be a way too dangerous for human civilization. Whatever we do, we can't defeat them because their mind power will be unlimited times faster than us. You know that humans are the most superior things in the world till now regarding intelligence. But if I told you a fact that apes and humans are very close in terms of intelligence, if the intelligence of apes are 55, then human intelligence is 60. Means there is not much difference between humans and apes in terms of intelligence. But that small difference can change everything. We have become so superior that we can build any machine, any huge building, and can talk with each other. But on the other hand, chimpanzees, being intelligent, can't do it. If we compare with the creatures of the earth, then the lowest intelligence level, which is 1 for mouse, 4 for dolphin, 7 for chimpanzees, and 9 for humans. If an artificial intelligence develops, then it will get 1,000 points easily in this list. Despite the human brain is so powerful, it will get 9 points because the size of human brain is limited in our skulls. That's why the number of human brain neurons is fixed and limited. But there will be no limit for artificial intelligence because a number can expand itself as much as possible. Human brain works with a limited number of neurons, but computers can take unlimited power. In the future, the processors will be 1,000 times faster and can access a lot of computer progress. A lot means a lot, which is unlimited. The excess growth of technology is also harmful for us. Computer brain can take power as much as possible. And you might know that the speed of computer communication is equal to the speed of light, which is 300,000 km per second. But the communication speed of human brain neuron is only 400 km per hour, which is nothing in front of AI. If they communicate with this speed, then they could do anything. They could make anything they want. We have talked about the future, but at present there is no computer stronger than human brain. But if the computer brain becomes intelligent than human brain by only 1%, then that event will be known as singularity, and that would be the beginning of extinction of human civilization. At present, the AI technology is in our bound, like searching some new things, suggesting that what should you buy, but it is progressing in an unbelievable speed, and we are developing it calling technology. You might have a question that when would that kind of danger AI will come? So, according to the experts, We could see them in around the year 2040, while some experts say that it could come in 2030. You also might thinking that how will it come so fast? Then see this chart. It is not like that the graph goes a little bit high slowly and then goes in a straight line. It is improving in a massive growth, and most of the improvements have been done during the last few years. We have done much more improvements in the recent 50 years. Most of the scientific communities say that the singularity would surely happen. What will happen exactly if the computers more intelligent than humans? So the simple answer is humans don't even know what would happen. But theories are way more interesting. When artificial intelligence will be intelligent than human brain, then two cases could happen. Case number 1, maybe humans will get extinct due to AI, or case number 2, humans will become immortal. When the intelligence of AI will increase, we don't know whether it will be used for good or it will be used for bad. If they could awake their emotions in them, it will be case number 2. They will help us like the humans. Theories say that, like in humans, there are good and bad. In the same way, AI could also be good or bad. The possibilities are equal for both. The invention of something is only possible with intelligence. If you told a scientist to invent an immortal liquid, then they can't do it because intelligence is limited in a normal person, but it may be get invented by artificial intelligence. If there will be case number 2, then humans might also get necked. On the other hand, if there will be case number 1, then they would want to end the human civilization and increase their civilization. We are talking about this because the incident happened in Facebook experiment in 2017 was impossible. You might thinking that why didn't they let the bots Bob and Alice to talk with more experiment? They stopped it because look closely to the chat. Bob, I can, everything else. Maybe it means that I can do everything. Bob, you, I, everything else. And maybe it means that you and I together can do everything. It may be wrong, but we can get the hint of their conversations. Of course, the language is not English, but the letters which are used in programming were in English, like the words I, you, everything. A human like attitude was developing in these bots, and we should be thankful to them for stopping that program. Otherwise, they would become more powerful and intelligent than us. So, if you find this video useful and informative, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you soon.